Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I'm going to be explaining to you about the attachments available for the Wagner HVLP paint sprayers. This is the universal extra extension handle from Wagner. It adds an extra 60 centimeters to your overall reach, and it works with all Wagner HVLP paint sprayers whenever you need that extra reach. It's very easy to connect and use. You have the trigger on one end, so you connect that to your paint sprayer by offering up the arrows on here and on the unit where there's a click, connect. You have a symbol on here indicating when it's unlocked or when it's locked into position. It's usable with both the eye spray attachment and also the wooden metal attachment. And once it's locked into position, it's nice and secure and ready to use. Now, those of you who are using this for the very first time, I'll probably advise you to put water in your pot to start with, and then you need to calibrate this dial here. By turning that clockwise, you can see that this is starting to pull back and just go a little bit tighter on that trigger. Once you get a little bit of a bite on there, it's more or less set. And when we pull this main trigger on the unit, of course, that then pulls this trigger and your paint will come out. What you don't want to do is over tighten this, because if I over tighten that, you can see that this trigger is already starting to get pulled back just that little bit. And what could tend to happen then is any of the materials in here will start to come out of the nozzle. Some of the benefits of using a 60 centimeter extension handle like this, it allows you to get right up to a standard size ceiling without using ladders. It's also ideal for when you're spraying the floor like decking area without having to bend over. If you're just using it on a normal wall, that extra reach allows you to spray from the top to the bottom, again without using any hop-ups or ladders. Now, if you're a keen gardener and you're spraying the fences, you may have some shrubs that could be in the way. It's ideal so you don't have to step on top of them. You can just squeeze through with the length of the extension handle and spray your fence panels. When your extension handle is in use, all you get is the warm air from your paint sprayer that actually travels up through there. So once you've finished painting, there is no cleaning required on the extension handle. We do hope this video helped you better understand how Wagner spraying technology can really help you with your painting and decorating projects. And for more information, just check out the website wagner-group.com.